Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with an extra cute quilt today. This is called Paddling Bears. I saw the quilt at International Quilt Market here in October and fell absolutely in love with that. Stopped, talked to the pattern designer. Her name's Barb from Coach House Designs. And the fabric she chose is called The Great Outdoors by Stacy Iest Hsu. We all love Stacy. She's a very popular designer for Moda Fabric, and how fun. I can just see sending my kids off to camp with this quilt and a matching pillowcase. Hint, hint, we've got those in the pipeline as well. This is a collection that's actually coming out in 2024, so we don't have the kits here today. What that means is you have the opportunity to reserve your kit for just $10 deposit and a $5 deposit for the coordinating backing. When all the fabric comes in, we get busy all across the building, cutting, folding, carefully collating your kit. We'll bill you for the difference and get that headed your way so you can get busy on making this darling quilt. Again, I just think this is the perfect quilt to send the kids off to camp with. So much fun. And a reminder, whenever we're billing for $75 or more, free freight in the United States and discounted rates internationally. I love that. If you are going to be joining us for this quilt, this is all piecing, no applique. That means certain things come into play that really will help us dial in the precise piecing that we're all looking for so that all of our points are coming out just as we hope. What is that magic combination? Absolutely starting with the fresh needle in the sewing machine, the fresh blade in the rotary cutter, patchwork pins, good thread, and absolutely the diagonal seam tape and the seam guide to hold us true to that 1/4 inch seam allowance. We have what's called a lot of sew and flip. You're seeing a lot of that here on these corners. The Creative Grid corner clipper is fantastic for that. And I love to use that in combination with my spinning mat. Not an imperative, but it's nice to have, never wanting to risk make any dangerous cuts. But I think that corner clippers are really valuable too in a tool. And of course, here are the other ones that we would use as well. The most important thing though is reserve your kit. We all know Moda prints the fabric just one time. As much as I wish they print more and more, they print just one time. Be sure to reserve your kit, your backing, any other notions you might need, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.